We made it to Bryce Canyon National Park. We spent 2 days exploring the stunning place, from hiking the Queen's Garden Trail with its never-ending switchbacks to stopping at Rainbow Point for some unbelievable views. We even found trees that smelled like butterscotch. But we had to cut the trip short. A winter storm was rolling in, and it was expected to drop 7 inches of snow. Let's show you what we saw before we got snowed out. We're at Bryce Point in Bryce Canyon National Park, and the first place we went to, man, the views don't disappoint. Jeez. Bryce Canyon isn't actually a canyon. It's a series of natural amphitheaters carved into the edge of the Pennsylvania Plateau. What makes it unique? The hoodoos. These jagged spears are formed through frost wedging and erosion, and Bryce has more of them than anywhere else in the world. Here at Inspiration Point, another view of the hoodoos and the amphitheater. Cool, huh?
Yes. The Queen's Garden Trail is one of the most popular hikes in the park, and it's easy to see why. You actually hike down into the hoodoos instead of just looking from above. It's a loop if you connect it with Navajo Loop, but we just did the Queen's Garden section, and wow, the switchbacks never end, but every corner gives you another crazy view.
So we are on the Queen's Garden Trail. It's about 3 miles, about 2 to 3 hours. And we get some incredible views on the way. Just like this, and we're walking all the way down here. And I think the trail ends way over there. Got quite a climb to go because we're going all the way down. How you holding up so far?
We're not that far in yet.
It's pretty nice seeing it from up here.
Yeah.
Can't imagine walking through those things. No, it's just your size.
Hoodoos are those tall and skinny rock formations everywhere here, and they're formed when snow and rain slowly breaks down the rock through a process called frost wedging. Basically, water gets into the cracks, freezes overnight, and breaks the rock apart bit by bit. It's nature doing slow motion sculpting. of the coolest things here, the trees actually smell like butterscotch or vanilla. Seriously. These are ponderosa pines, and if you stick your nose right up to the bark, you might catch a sweet candy like scent. Some people even say they smell like cream soda.
Doing it, babe?
Oh my God. Yes. Yeah. Yes. I think that one might be a Jeffrey. Yeah.
What's it smell like?
It's butterscotch. Like,
Yeah?
you can smell it right here.
Huh. Wanna take some home with you?
I'm gonna eat it right now.
So apparently the sap on these pine trees, they smell like butterscotch.
And they do.
And they do.
Yeah.
It smells really good.
Very sweet.
Very sweet. It's time to stop for a snack. So what do we got?
We got grapes. We got cucumber. Tomatoes. Limon. Tajín.
It's pretty healthy. Healthy snack, huh?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Well, I made it to the bottom, and now we're got about a mile till we get to the top. And I'm looking for a shuttle to take us up there.
Yep.
And I don't see one. Dang.
Not too fast. Am I not that lucky?
Nope. Ready to go. Break time's over.
Yeah.
This spot is called Two Bridges, and you can see exactly why. These natural stone arches span the narrow slot canyon like something out of a movie. The walls here are tall, tight, and glowing with red and orange hues. It's one of the most photographed spots on the Navajo Loop, and it feels like you're walking through a hidden world carved by time.
So there's a lot of switchbacks going up. It's really steep. It's the first break of many. Well, for me.
Can you do it again?
We're gonna make it.
Yes. We were very close to it.
Yeah.
We wrapped up the hike at Sunset Point, and yet it lives up to the name. This is one of those spots where you just stop and take it all in. The views go on forever, and it's the perfect way to end the loop. This section is called Wall Street, and it's the only slot canyon in Bryce Canyon. The trail winds through towering orange walls that close in dramatically as you descend. The switchbacks here are tight and steep, and it honestly feels like hiking through a skyscraper canyon in a national park.
Can you imagine it? 'Cause yeah.
How long do you think that hike took us?
Too long. No, I'm just kidding. No, it was really good. Everywhere you looked, there was something
beautiful to see. And
Yeah, that trail was like the best way to see all those hoodoos because we actually got a chance to walk through them and look up at them.
right.
Pretty amazing looking down at them, but it's even better looking
When
at
you-
it from the bottom.
Yes. It's a lot to see. It's a good experience. I loved it.
Yeah. And we could walk all the way back to our car, but we're not going to. We're going to take the shuttle. See it back. Well, wherever we're going. I think we're gonna get something to eat. Getting kind of hungry after that.
Exit in the rear.
So we had found ourselves a really nice BLM camping spot. We haven't really used this much before. It's just free camping on public lands. But the one that we found, the views were so... Did not have to pay anything for them. That's even better. But there's really no one around us. Mochi likes it too. Mochi. But we're gonna have to leave early. We can only stay till about maybe Tuesday or so. We got here on Saturday or Sunday, but it's supposed to snow. It's supposed to start Wednesday afternoon and go on all the way through till Sunday, and we're at a high elevation. We're supposed to get 7 inches of snow at where we're at. And the roads, it'd get pretty muddy, I think, if it got a little wet. Yeah, so we're gonna head to Escalante, Utah after this to go check out another, I think it's a state park or national park. I'm not sure what it is, but it's near Escalante. But we gotta get out of here before we get stuck here in the mud. But anyway, we're gonna go back to Bryce Canyon tomorrow and just go drive, go explore. And right now we're just gonna go inside, do a little bit of gardening, relax, watch some TV, and go out again tomorrow. Bye.
The road through Bryce Canyon is called the Scenic Drive, and it stretches 18 miles from the entrance all the way to Rainbow Point. It's a one-way in, one-way out road with 13 official viewpoints along the rim. The further you go, the higher the elevation gets, ending at Rainbow Point, which sits at over 9,100 feet above sea level. The cool trick here is to drive all the way to the end first, then stop at viewpoints on the way back. So you're always on the right side of the road for easier pull-offs. Rainbow Point is the highest viewpoint in Bryce Canyon, sitting at over 9,100 feet. On a clear day, you can even see as far as 100 miles into southern Utah, even into the Grand Staircase Escalante area. The elevation here also means cooler temps and a much different view than the more popular Bryce Amphitheater area.
So sad that we have to leave this place, but there is a pretty good sized winter storm coming in. I guess last for the spring. It would have dropped 7 inches of snow. And the roads really aren't that great of where we're camping at. They're sloped and soft dirt. There would have been a muddy mess. But we're on our way to our next stop. We're gonna go explore the Grand Staircase in Escalante, Utah. Man, just look how beautiful this is out here. Like I said, we had a really great spot, but I don't know. Not everything can be exciting and great. You know, at least we got to experience it for a little bit. So we'll see you at the next stop.